From Huck's Lawn Service here. I'm going to show you today how to clean these plastic Briggs carburetors. They're on the 625 series and on up. They've been using them the last several years. Lots of people don't know how to take them apart, so I'm going to show you the exact tools we need and all the jets and everything we need to clean. All right, we're going to need your standard pair of pliers, a 9/32. I like to use a nut driver. You can use a wrench or a socket, of course. A little tiny screwdriver, and these 𝐥𝐤𝐤 tip cleaners. They come with like acetylene torches and stuff like that. It just gives you all the different sizes of cleaners in here that you're going to need. All right, we're going to start by taking these two bowl bolts out. That's going to be your 9/32. Okay, then we're going to take our screwdriver, and there's a little like a ledge under here that I like to pry against. See, and that just pops off. We are going to have some fuel, of course. We're going to set our bowl off to the side. And then in here are your jets, right? So we're going to take our pliers and squeeze on both sides of this. Kind of wiggle. You got to use some force and it'll just pop out. Then inside here you have to yet again separate this piece from the main jet assembly. So that's the pliers again. More force. Okay, now you have two pieces. So we're going to clean this one. We're going to need like the smallest of these jet cleaners, which is this little thing. There's going to be a little jet in there. Make sure that's clean. See if I can get it to focus. And then there's 3 holes right here. We're going to go through all of them. Three. And these ones. Okay. Now we're just going to put this assembly back together. And it just clicks on there. Like that. Generally nothing to clean inside here. Sometimes I like to spray it out with some carb clean. That's about it. And if you can see down in there, see if I can get it to... Down in there, there's a little a circular cavity. That's where this part with the O-ring goes. This part here. All right, and that clicks back in. Put our bowl back on. This bowl, it doesn't matter which direction. Put our screws back in. And lastly, just make sure both of your butterflies are operational, your choke lever here. Most of this series is going to have that heat sink operated choke, and then your regular butterfly. Those are both operational. This is, excuse me, this is going to be ready to go. These are super simple to clean. Lots of people just don't know how to take them apart, or once they get the ball off, they don't know where the jets are. So that's why I wanted to do this how-to video, let people know where the jets are. It's pretty easy, but I do want to say you do have to use quite a bit of force getting that jet assembly out and then taking the second stage off that tube. Don't be afraid to break it because you won't. You just have to use quite a bit of force. So, all right, we're going to slap this back on the mower. That'll be in a different video, but she's all ready to go and she's clean.